site last night and went about so late. It was so hot that this morning we didn't get up till it was about 8:15, which is super late for us. So we're only now heading out towards North Wales. We're currently on the A55 heading towards Conwy. So it was a long day planned of looking around, sightseeing and touristy stuff. So we'll update you as the day goes along. You alright there, Stu?
Very good. Good morning.
Looks very comfortable in his seat.
Very comfortable. The air conditioning is very nice right now.
Yeah, it was too much yesterday. The site we were on, it was lovely, but we got there so early and we were a bit too far away from everything to walk to. And it was just really, really hot, so we didn't feel like it either.
We literally did nothing, did we? We just lounged there, played with the kids all day.
Yeah, pretty much. And then when it came to going to sleep then, couldn't sleep because it was too hot and stuffy. But yeah, when we eventually dropped off and then got up this morning, I do feel quite refreshed actually. So excited for today, looking forward to it, and enjoying aircon currently. So we'll update you as soon as we stop somewhere. Okay, see you in a bit. Well, we found C. Whether or not we're actually going to be able to park is a whole different matter. So I thought I'd do this little video of the promenade as we're passing, because everything is height restricted, stopping us from actually parking up anywhere. Or you've got these little car parking bays here on the left. Well, obviously we're too long to fit in one of them. So it's not really looking likely, if I'm honest.
I'd like to get down there for an hour with the kids now if we could.
Yeah.
They've been sat in the car for about an hour and a half, so it'd be good if we can take them out for an hour.
They are behaving now. They're just looking about in the back. But they are being good.
Quite happy with going to this conclusion now, love. You know, entertainment, food, shops for you to go spending. You sold?
Well, I'm still pissed off.
How welcome North Wales was to me.
Well, just driven over North Wales and had to come back on ourselves, and now we're back on the road for another 2.5 hours. Yeah, right by where the first site was, that lovely little canal boat place. I could have just gone and stayed there 2 nights and then nipped over and had an easier time of it.
We did a bit of travelling.
Yeah, now I'm fed up.
After 300 yards,
We got
exit
3
left.
nights on beach.
After
Entertainment.
180 yards, exit left.
Michael Bublé's wannabes there. Want some Bublé?
No.
A little Bublé a little bit?
After 180 yards, enter the roundabout and take the 6th exit.
So, we're at Chester
Take
now,
the
aren't we?
6th exit.
Back where we began this
Calculate
morning.
route.
So technically, we've lost 2 hours of our life.
You never get it back.
Yeah.
But you can also look at it. We've had 2 hours of free aircon.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. No sweaty bits here.
Yep. We're nice and cool. It's showing us 30 degrees outside.
Yeah, I can live with that.
And it's Baltic in here.
Because you've told me now that we've got off-grid for 3 days.
You're only worrying because of your hair.
No hair straighteners for 3 days.
Yeah. So you guys get a chance to see Ruff Charlie.
I look rough most days anyway. Yeah, and what about, you know, charging and stuff?
Yeah, we've got a solar panel. We've got 12 volts.
Well, to keep trying to charge my phone before we get there so that I don't run out.
The only thing we lose are the two 230 sockets.
So I'll be alright if I don't get rained on.
We find using 12 volt hair straighteners.
Yeah. I'd like that actually.
Huh?
I'd like that actually.
Yeah.
I did find a 12 volt little handheld Hoover earlier, which I'm going to try out when we get there. I'm going to hoover out all the door sills. I know, doesn't sound very exciting, but I'm really excited. Because where I cleaned all the motorhome yesterday, it was really infuriating trying to get your finger in like the door sill bit where the fly screen shuts. There's like little stones and bits of grass and bits of fluff. Couldn't get it out and I was getting a bit frustrated with it. So now I've got a sucky.
Sucky, $15.
12 volt sucky. Genuinely happy. And it's got a super long cord as well, 2.3 meters. So I can plug it in at the front, can't I?
Yeah.
Right here somewhere. And then I can do the whole motorhome with it.
Hang on, the motorhome's 7.6 meters long.
Oh. Will I reach the door sill at least?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought that would have been another waste of money.
Yeah, we got another 2.5 hours till we get there now.
Fun. Although we've got dual carriageways and M5, I think, most of the way, so
smoother road.
It should be alright. Because we've had some tight situations lately, and some near misses and some close calls.
So one up on that bridge, wasn't it?
So I'm still inside, really upset about that.
Camping, fuming region.
Oh, I was mind. I think it was just the sheer couldn't care less attitude, and like we're trying to reverse backwards round a bend
so we can get through.
So we can get through, and he's still forcing his way through. Anyway, I'll get back on it because it'll just start making me mardy again. So I'll just drop that conversation. So you're promising me a bar tonight?
This is a bar, a couple of food outlets.
Hot dogs.
I'm half expecting it to be quite similar to the Warner exhibitions. This is an apple tree exhibition.
We haven't been to one of these before.
We have been to an apple tree exhibition before, so...
If it's a disaster, I'm telling you, I'm going home.
Yeah, we'll find out soon.
I'll be going home. Because so far, it's just been a bit potchy, isn't it? We've had fun all the same. It's still been good.
We're in the van. No matter, does it? We make our own fun.
We do make our own fun. Maybe we're just being miserable.
We. Stratford Racecourse.
How big is this tent?
Here I am at the motorhome show, trying to get the hubs to buy me this awning. Look at that. It's got a little porchy bit on the front and plenty of room inside for us. Picnic table, chairs, whatever. He wants one of them rail things, but we have, what do you call them? Pull out rail canopy. I don't want one of them. One, we haven't got a rail anyway. It's a bit pointless. There's quite a few here. We've got that one, looks quite good, but it's really thin material, and this is the one I've had my BDI on because it's got a bit for the attachment of a rail if he bothers to put a rail on. Get off that, please. But I did see another lady just put one on the back, and when it was on the back she just rolled that bit up. So we'll see. I'll let you know if I can get myself one of them. So it turns out the man but's let me get one, and because I'm cheeky, I got a free bowl chucked in. I'm well happy with that. So I'm going to come back and do another video after, once I've shown you when the awning's all blown up. Woo!
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. There's the man butt. He's had to borrow one of them rolly wheel thingy bobs to take the awning back to the motorhome. I don't think he's that pleased with me at the minute because we've come down and we were all having a bit of a moan about how small it was. And yet we've managed to get everything that we wanted to get. So it goes to show sizes and everything. See you in a bit.
She thought she got out of helping, taking it back to the van. So we've done the motorhome show this morning.
Spent some pretty pennies.
You did. Very expensive taste.
I bought one thing.
Alright, to be fair, we haven't got an awning, and we have now got an awning, so we're going to try and entertain the kids now. So we're right by the side of a canal, and we're going to try and find, there's a footpath that goes right up the side of it that'll take us up to Stratford town, and there's like a barge hire company up there that'll take you out on little boat rides. So we're going to try and entertain the kids for an hour or two.
Because I like a barge boat.
You get seasick.
Not on a canal I won't, it's flat.
We'll see. This will be interesting.
Yeah, I could be sick.
Yeah.
Be fun though.
Oliver, you right?
Yeah.
So, we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
Here comes the ruck pack. Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
Yes. What do you think, Stu? Should we do that Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
Why not?
Ask Queen what she thinks.
Queen, gonna have a go on there? What do you think?
No.
Why not?
You would not catch me on that.
Why? You've been on one already.
Yeah, but it was like a quarter size of that.
No, it wasn't. It was the same size.
No, it wasn't.
It was. Look, if you look up now, let's see. I'll show everyone how big it is. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Up we go. All right, fair enough. That is quite big. What do you think, Queen?
Yeah, you don't catch me on that.
You're gonna go on it? I mean,
First we're stuck up there.
why would we be stuck up there?
Because when they would turn it off, we'll be stuck up there.
Yeah, they stop it and they take people off one by one. You don't get stuck up there. Look at the size on that.
It's huge.
It's huge. Just watching this little ferry come over. I'm going to see if we can have a little jump on this now. Get to the other side and get on them canal barges if I'm lucky. Just over there.
Come on,
Go, Oliver.
do it.
Get us going.
2 hands. That's it.
Wow, well done, buddy.
Keep going. Keep going. You can do it.
It's getting harder and harder. Oh, look at him.
We're nearly there now, man. Maybe after.
On the way back. Show us your guns, Oliver. I fancy a barge. Massive inside. Literally the most random thing I think I've ever seen in my whole life. It's an old Royal Mail train.
Yeah.
And they've got cycle hire.
And they do electric bikes.
And electric bike hire.
And the other one's a cafe.
That's pretty class. I mean, we're just walking on a cycle track. It's not what you would expect to find. Open daily, breakfast and brunch. That is pretty class. They offer wine from there, sold.
I love it.
And coffee. You could stay all day in there, lad.
You wouldn't see me for the whole day. That's class. Oh, and in the background then you can see all the motorhomes and caravans from the show. So hoping we can just walk a little bit further down here and then nip across the bridge somewhere.
That's the plan.
And straight into the motorhome. Ready for the BBQ. Oh, I can't wait. My feet are killing. My Apple Watch has basically turned around to me and said, it appears you're exercising today, and keeps giving me notifications. So obviously I'm a lazy cow usually, because I've only done about 15,000 steps. Oh dear me. Hello. So that's another little adventure done. We're just about to go home from our motorhome show. Where are we? Stratford?
Yeah, if you could call it that.
Hello, Mom.
It's about 5, maybe 6 stalls there this morning, I think. We've just popped down for a coffee and a bacon back before we're setting off, because we literally ran out of everything on the van. No milk,
No water.
no water.
Ran out, we couldn't be bothered to move the van to go and replace it.
No, it was up on ramps, it was perfect, wasn't it? We didn't want to go and, you know, meddle with all of that late last night, did we?
No.
Although we did have a really good evening with a lovely couple that we met, Steph and John.
Yes.
Yeah, so they were actually a really good crack.
They got us drunk.
Yeah, they did. So we went to bed quite late for us.
Yeah, it was
About 11:30, 11:45. We were like, oh,
it was gone midnight.
not used to this.
Yeah.
Way past our 9 o'clock bedtime. So yeah, and then we were up at 5:45 this morning, so we've been waiting for hours for the coffee shop to open just so we could have something to drink and something to eat. It looks like some of the stalls have gone. We did have a giggle when we realised one of them was the aircon guy, because obviously the weather's changed. So yeah, I've got about 2.5 hour journey home now. So we're going to go home, clean up, do some washing, all the usual biz, repack, and then recharge ourselves ready for our big holiday starting on Monday. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
See you.